Unlock instant shopping power and make that Temu must-have yours now by easily adding credits. First, open your Temu app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to managing your account and all things Temu. On your profile page, look for an option that says account balance, wallet, or something similar that indicates where you manage your spending. Tap on that. Now you'll see your current credit balance, if any, and importantly, options to add more. You can choose from preset credit amounts or enter a custom amount you'd like to add to your Temu wallet. Select your preferred payment method. Temu offers a variety of secure options to make this process quick and easy, usually including credit or debit cards or popular digital wallets. Before confirming, take a moment to review the amount you're adding and the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Then, simply tap to confirm your purchase. And just like that, your Temu credits are added. You'll see your updated balance reflected immediately, ready for you to browse and buy those amazing deals without delay. Happy shopping!